So guys, I finished my photo shoot for today and it went really well. I did an engagement photo shoot in the mountains, which was really nice, really good. And I'm just excited for where God is taking me. And yeah, first I was a little bit leery because yeah, I be like that sometimes. But once you do it, you just gotta keep pushing forward and trying new things. Well, for my next task today, I'm going to brunch, and I am still on the Daniel fast, so I'm going to this place called Hummus. And yeah, that is gonna be that. And I'm gonna go and have brunch with my first lady. And yeah, it's kind of windy today, that's why I'm just wearing a jogging suit. And yeah, I kind of want to take a nap, but I also want to get started on editing these photos for my client. And yeah, your girl be making moves out here. We I have vision works in the morning, stripper at night. Like, we not a stripper at night, but you catch the vibes.